It's the family scene that you've been working with me on Facebook and Instagram. So I wanted to show you putting it together and use some of your suggestions that you've been making, and we'll try out these other ways to do it. Okay, let's have a look. So if you'll recall, we had a father, which I thought was a mother, but you guys taught me that's the dad. And then we have this cute little guy, the baby that fits right in there. Let's give Dad a head. And let's give the baby a head. I had to wash these rocks. Hey, if you're doing this, wash your rocks first. I just get so excited that I dump them out and start playing with them. And then my hands get dry and dirty. Everything gets dirty. And here's Mom. So body for Mom. Now, if you'll recall, we were trying to use this one. Oops, the whole point was the V. And we're making all the rocks fit together like a puzzle. So we will get the baby, Mom, Dad, there we go. And then we were working on the legs, if you'll recall. So you had this one to work with. What did we do? Here we go, we were working with this one. Remember that? And then I thought, well, if this is the mom, these legs are too fat. So I was trying to find something a little more feminine. So I took those away and found this one where Mom has a leg and a skirt. That one's pretty cute, don't you think? I think that works pretty good. Get Mom's face in there. Everybody's touching the baby's head because they all love the baby. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then I thought, well, what if we did something bigger? Like, okay, if this is the dad on this side, let's make him really big. And here's Mom raising the baby up to Dad. That's cute, huh? And I thought, well, you know what? What if that's an angel instead of a dad? Look at this awesome rock. I love this rock. Okay, we're gonna put a wing. Now we've got an angel, but I don't know the story of a mom giving the baby, well, maybe Samuel in the Old Testament, but she didn't give it to an angel. So we've got an angel. See, this is how my art goes. I think we got something going on. I'm gonna just try something totally different. What about a little kid here and who's having a hard time, or maybe that's you, and here comes an angel to show some love. So there's an arm, and the angels come to love on the little kid. And maybe the little kid is saying, I'm so lost. So he's got his hand up to his face because he's crying, and the angel says, I'm here. I'll help you. And maybe they love each other so much they go forehead to forehead. Isn't that sweet? And maybe the angel should have a big head so he can be much bigger than the big child. Oh, cute, huh? And then sometimes it's helpful to put a base. And we'll let the angel be flying. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so you get the idea of how these things can just kind of morph.